In this video, I'm going to learn how to create speech recognition app or a speech to text app. So we are going to be using Python with Kivy MD for this application. So Kivy MD will be what we use to create the interface, while Python will be what we use to work on the logic. The interface has 5 icons at the bottom here. Of course, with one big icon, a microphone icon. We have the one for changing the mode from dark mode to light mode. If I click on the record icon or the microphone icon, we just say, hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to today's program. So I can save it and I can also copy it. So I can paste it anywhere, like in this case, I can paste it in the notepad or anywhere else that I wish to paste. Okay, so that's what we're going to learn how to do in this video. Then of course the one I have saved, when I click on that save data, I can see this is the result. So let's get right into it. So give it a name, speech recognition.py. So it shows the work area like this, or the place to type code. Then go through here, open a new terminal. So on the new terminal, so we need to install some things. So first we create the work environment or the virtual environment. Then after which we activate the virtual environment. Then here we are within the virtual environment that we just created. Now the next we need to do is to install a Kivy MD. So you do pip install Kivy MD, press enter, and it goes through the process like this, and everything will be installed. Of course, you need to be connected to the internet. Then after which you install the speech recognition PyAudio. So that is what does. We are going to be using that dependency. Okay, so which is known as or called speech recognition PyAudio. So once you pip install that, it takes some seconds and it's installed like this. Right. So once you get to the work area, the code area where you can type code, make sure that you are within the virtual environment. So we do the importation, or we import the various dependencies or libraries. Okay, so then these are the various libraries we need to use. So what we need to do now is to create the interface. So say Kivy equal to, then within this block, this environment, this area here, that's where we're going to add the various code that will help to create the UI. So we've done something similar to this before, so I will link some of them in the description of this video. Everything you see here is all about creating the UI. The idea of this video is not to see how you can create the UI per se, because I've done a whole lot of this or something similar to this. So you have the mic icon, then you have the scroll view, then you have the text input, then you have this one is all about the text input. Okay, then you have the bottom area. That is where you have all those 5 icons. Then it's box layout. Then it is horizontal. Then you now have the mic icon. That's the mic icon button. Then you now have the copy button. Then you now have the save button here. Then of course you have the delete button if you want to clear what is within what has been generated. Then of course you now have the light bulb button, the one that will help to change the modes. Okay, so that's what we have here. So nothing fancy here. So that's what we have so far. So like I said, we're going to concentrate on the Python. So if you need the code, just make a request and we'll work around that. Okay, so now we'll create a class create a Python class. So we'll call it root widget, the MD box layout. Then we add a pass here. So this is necessary because this class cannot just be empty in Python. So typing that pass there signifies that you are telling Python that yes, I know I'm coming back here and all that. Then we create the main class, which is speech app, then MD app. Then we add we add a method. Okay, so then we load the interface basically. All right, so then of course the light mode and the current mode they are there in line 104 and 105. Then we create the recognizer variable which is implementing the recognizer object. Then we add the other variables right there. Then the next we need to do is to link to the picture, which is within the asset folder. So that is an icon. Then we determine the dimension of the UI, that's of the entire window. Then of course we add a title on it. Then we return the root widget. So that's what we have here. Okay. So here we now say if name, then if it is equals main. So we just run it here, basically. Okay, so this is all that we have. So let's run it now. So to run it, just enter the say Python, the name of the file, and it opens like this. So this is the interface that we have been building. So you can see it looks cool. So you can see that I'm moving it around. So none of the buttons work so far. So we need to now implement it. So let me close it now. All right. So then the next thing we need to do quickly is that we'll define a toggle theme method. Line 119 to 121 is what is used to toggle the light mode and the dark mode. All right, so we run it now. So once you run it, it comes up like this. Then click on it, so you can see that it darkens it and it lightens it. Okay, so you can see how cool that is. This is what we have so far. All right, so in the next video I'm going to make all the other aspects of the code work well. So stay tuned for the next video. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.